I welcome everyone to our YouTube channel, AAU Organics. In this video, we will see one of the important application that is very useful to the research scholars, as most of our channel subscribers have joined their PG or PhD in some agriculture institutes and universities. This video will be very useful to you for their thesis and for the other academic and research activities. So before going deep into this video, if you are new to our channel, you can subscribe our channel. Our channel is a only channel to do agriculture education and ICR and other agriculture job opportunities related videos in English in India. So you can share our channel with your friends also. So for this, you have to search Google Scholar in Chrome. So if you search Google Scholar in Chrome or any other browser what you are having, this Google Scholar will open. Okay, so this is the Google Scholar. So first you have to know what is this Google Scholar and what is it is used for. This Google Scholar is especially used for searching the articles as like normal Google. So this Google Scholar is used for searching the articles or book chapters, so which is already published and it is legal. Only the legal and authorized articles or manuscript will appear in this Google Scholar. Okay, so here you can create your Google Scholar profile, or else there is no need also, but as you have already logged in with your own Google profile, so it will automatically takes. Okay, so here will be the my profile and my library. So what you are searching, it will come there in my profile already what you have given. So those details will come here. If you have already published any articles, so those details will come here. So this is my ID and it is not verified. Okay, so no verified email. So for login into Google Scholar, you need university mail ID. For example, if at usd.in, at aau.in, at ICAR.in, so like that it should come. It should not come like at gmail.com or at rediffmail.com or hotmail.com like that. So we have to get the verified email ID to open this Google Scholar account. So this account I am having, but it is not verified. So this account will not be visible to others. This will be only visible to me. Okay, so you no need to search my account in Google Scholar, but it is available in ResearchGate. Okay, so here will be some of the options: my profile, my library, alerts, metrics, like that. Okay, so here in that search option, you can search the articles whatever you want. For example, I am searching effect of integrated nutrient management, INM, just I can keep in maize. Okay, in maize. Okay, here these are the articles that are related to effect of integrated nutrient management in maize. So here you can interchange the search terms. Okay, in foreign this maize is called by the name corn, like that. Here you can fully type integrated nutrient management, and instead of effect you can search like impact, like that. So you can alter the search terms. Okay, so here the articles will appear anytime, means it is for the long time. So regardless of the year of publication, the articles will appear here. See here 2013 appeared, then 2018 appeared, then 2001 appeared, like that. Okay, so if we keep this since 2024, the articles will come from the year 2024 and it will go in descending order. It will come from start from 2024 and it will go like 2023, 2022, 2021, like that. Okay, so when I clicked here since 2024, here it came 2024. Okay, so like this. Similarly, here we can give the custom range. So from which year to which year you need from 2024 to 2020. Okay, like that. You can search here. If you search here, so this one will come. So here we can see from 2020 it came, next to 2023. So between these years, from 2020 to 2024, what are the articles published related to your topic that you have given in the keywords here? So that will appear here. Okay, I hope everyone will understand. Next is here the sort by relevance, sort by date. So relevance means it's related to the topic what you have given, and a sort by date means from which date. Okay, it will be like when it is published, articles added in the last year sorted by the date. Okay, from first year, that means from 2024 or 2023, like that. So it is by date, and from which date it is published. Here they have mentioned, you can see 9 days ago, 18 days ago, 22 days ago. So it will come from the recent. Okay, so whatever we give, so according to that one, it will come from the recent. Then here article type, any type means it includes research articles or book chapters or review articles or popular articles like that. If we want a review articles, so here we can click on this review article. So articles are all different types such as review articles, short communications, and research articles that we have explained in our previous video. So review article means what are the research that they did in the effect of integrated nutrient management in maize. They have collected all the data from those articles and they have cumulatively given one article. So that is known as this review article. So these are the review articles. So here they mentioned a review. Here I searched for review articles. Here they have given a review and overview. So like that it will come. Okay. So these are those facilities that are available in the Google Scholar. Okay. Here. Okay. Now I have given again anytime, and here there are some other options. Okay. Here there will be save option. So this will be added to your bookmark or your library. Okay. So here you can create the reading list or new, and you can add to that one. If you click on done, it is already completed. Next is cite. So citation style will be different. There are different citation style: MLA style, APA style, Chicago style, Harvard style, Vancouver style, like the different styles are there. So every journal will have the different references style and citation format. For example, each university will be having different format. So this style will not be exactly fit into your university format or the journal format. You have to modify it. Okay. For example, you consider one journal. For example, this is the reference formatting for our university, US Dharwad. So here it will be like this: first will be the author name, then there will be gap, then initials, then gap, then again comma, like that. Here it will be the year name will come here only, then the article title, then the journal name will be in italics, and here the volume name, issue name, and the page number. Okay, so like that it will appear, but exactly the same reference style will not come in any of these things. Okay, for this what I will do means, for our university format, this Harvard style will be okay. So if we click on here, it will be highlighted, and just you can copy, Control plus C, you can copy and you can paste it wherever you want. Okay, just I am pasting here. Okay, so and you can click this paste option. So in this, just you can alter the format of the reference according to what you need. Okay, so this is that format. Here, if your journal name need to be italicized, you can italicize, or if it need to be in the short form, you can made it in the short form. So like this, some options are there. So you can utilize these things, but you don't waste the time in selecting different reference format. You check the reference format which is suitable to your journal or to your university format, and you can utilize that thing only. Okay. Next is here, what are the number of citations? So that will be given here. So here, how many citations has been done for that particular article? Citation means how many scientists or how many in how many articles this particular article has been quoted. So that is known as citations. Next is related articles. Okay, what are the some other articles related to this work? So that will also come here. So if I click on that one, so these are the articles related to that one. Okay, that one will come. If I click on the cited by 16, so what are the articles that this article has been quoted? Okay, so those articles will come. So this article has been quoted in these 16 articles. Okay, so like that it will come. Next is two versions. Two version means, for example, if an article is published, it will be uploaded in the journal, and it may be uploaded in some other open access library also, and it may be uploaded in the ResearchGate, like that. So all those versions will be there. So both are same article only, but that downloading site will be different. Okay, so that they have given the two versions. Okay, so those things. Next is view as HTML. View as HTML means it will be appearing in the format of HTML. So this is that one. There's some other options also. If we click on the site, here some of the references citations are there, like BibTeX. Next is EndNote, RefMan, RefWorks, like that. So you can use these things also. How to cite the article, I will give the separate video. Okay, so this is how we have to search the articles in Google Scholar. So first thing you have to understand is you have to search from the since 2024, that is which is a recent year. If this video is watched after 10 years, then that will be like since 2034. Okay, so like that, which is recent, you have to note down that one. And another thing I forgot to tell, here I am opening some articles. So here some article is there. Okay, what you consider whatever maybe the journal, like that. So here you can copy this one. This is the article. You want to get the hard copy of this article or the soft copy of this article. So you copy that article title, okay, article title, and you come here. You paste it here. Okay. If you paste it here, that article will come. Okay. Then you can go to that particular site. Okay, and here you can download that article. And another one important thing, during that time, if you are copying article title from any other source and you are searching here, during that time it should be since any time. Okay, it should not be like since 2020. For example, I am pasting here this one only. This is the article title. It was published in recent years. Okay, but that may not be available in the year 2020. So some other articles will come. Okay, so you have to be very careful that during that kind of search, this anytime should be mentioned here. So I hope this video will be very useful to you for your thesis preparation or any other research preparation and other academic related. So if you are having any doubt related to this Google Scholar, you can give in the comment. Thank you.